Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. I'm down in Florida at CJ's cooking up breakfast for the boys. It's loaded tater tots with a hollandaise sauce, some crispy bacon, and
dippy, drippy, sexy
eggs. You guys are gonna love this one. Let me show you how. All right, let's start this one off giving CJ the hard job.
Honestly, in a hot day like this, you want to throw your bacon in the freezer. It makes it so much easier to slice up, but I still made it. I was able to get these nice little chunks in onto your Blackstone. Now, do you like to put your bacon on a cold Blackstone, or do you like to bring it up to temp? Because there's some discussion
CJ,
there.
if you watched my show, you would know that I do cold, but we started on low. We're gonna render out that fat, but first we have to get our hollandaise sauce.
Gonna get this on like a nice medium heat on the griddle.
Whoa,
this should work.
Whoa, CJ, you didn't even read the directions. We're taking a shortcut using a packet. You can make
my bad.
So usually you would start with the milk, then the packet, then the butter. So have fun trying to whisk that together.
But while all that's going on, the bacon is crisping up, and the gold, the liquid gold, this is part of the actual recipe. You don't want to get rid of your bacon fat once we slide it out of the way.
That's what's going to get our tots extra crispy.
Your tots are extra crispy.
Yeah, full of flavor. So drop them down, give them a little shimmy shake, let them hang out, a little extra oil over the top.
Pro move, don't put your tots on when they're room temperature. You want them frozen, and that way they hold their shape and their integrity. You want your tots to have integrity. That's all I gotta say.
And grab the garlic butter, Blackstone seasoning, level up that hollandaise sauce just a little bit. How about you grab the classic breakfast? You want to season up the tots?
Classic breakfast season. Oh yes, classic seasoning for some classic tots. These are gonna be so good with this breakfast blend.
All right, everything looks good. Let's pull off that bacon. And we're gonna drop down some eggs into that bacon grease. I turn off the burners. This way, the eggs just cook on the residual heat.
Another pro move. Now, you do cook your eggs kind of slow, right? Like, you like to let them... You don't like them, like, crazy crispy on the edges,
no,
right?
I like a soft egg, drippy yolk, but the whites have to be done.
But we've got to have some salt and pepper, so I'm gonna hit this up with a little bit of salt and coarse black pepper. That is definitely, like, the way to go, in my opinion.
Our sauce is nice and thickened. Time to pull everything off. We're gonna plate, starting with our tater tots. I've got that hollandaise sauce all over. CJ, go over the top with that crispy bacon.
Done.
We'll grab the eggs. A little extra hollandaise sauce over the top, the way I like it. Of course, I'm gonna zhuzh it up with some sliced green onions. They're my favorite.
Remarkable. This is beautiful.
I go heavy on the green onions, so I hope you like it. I know you're...
I'm not a dippy, drippy egg kind of guy, however.
But watch the sexiness. Ready? You do that egg.
Okay, here we go. Okay.
How can that not be the most gorgeous thing ever? A dippy, drippy, sexy egg.
Oh
just
my god.
All right, let's go.
There we go. Let's get into it. All right, I'm gonna go over here. I've got some hollandaise. You know, I don't use hollandaise sauce near enough in my life.
You don't?
I need to start changing that up.
Do you remember when the bros used it at the summit last year?
I do.
On that salmon Wellington made on the Blackstone
and
in
I
the pizza
ate it,
oven.
And I loved it. And I don't like salmon.
Cheers. Thanks
cheers,
for
love.
cooking with me.
Oh, thank you.
Good way to start the day.
There's no better way to start the day than with tots.
They are pretty good.
I could seriously just eat this entire plate.
Breakfast,
I plan on
lunch, dinner, any time of the day, you guys got to take it, make it. I know you're going to love it.
I love it. I obviously love it. And even though they're dippy, drippy, sexy eggs,
this really leveled up that hollandaise sauce. I'm telling you, I can taste it. I can taste the classic breakfast. It's a winner.
You guys, so good. You got to try it. Betty, thank you.
Thank you for cooking with me. Thank you for inviting me to your hot house. I cannot
so
wait to go home. I will see you back at home for another recipe. I'm going to keep eating.